Hi all. Today I'm going to tell about how the cancer cells are formed and how it differs from the normal cells and what are the symptoms of cancer. So first of all, we should know what is happening inside a body so that we can go to the doctor before, on the moment we get some symptoms, we can go to doctor in the initial stages of cancer, like in stage 0 or stage 1, so that we can, at as much as possible, our life expectancy will get increased. So that is why the more awareness and more knowledge about what is happening inside the body is a must. So first coming to cancer cells and normal cells. So normal cells, we have cells, many cells inside the body. So if you consider normal cell, the normal cell, it will grow, it will die after some time, and it will divide properly. That is what a normal cell does. So this is the process which is happening inside a body. So after some time, the normal cell will die. When it is mature, it will die, and new cell will be regenerated. This is how it is happening inside a body. But in case of cancer cells, a cancer cell is happening when a DNA inside our body is damaged. DNA means it is very essential actually. Uh, like DNA is like it is used to control the way our cells function. So DNA, it is affected by the harmful substances in the environment or based on our lifestyle factors. If the DNA is affected.
So in the image we can see like there are two cells, cancer cell and normal cell. In the cancer cell, inside the DNA is present where the DNA is damaged, and in the normal cells if you see the DNA is no damage has occurred. And also in the normal cells cell death is occurring, but in the cancer cells the cell death is not occurring.
If whenever a damage to DNA is occurring, the cancer cells are formed. So how the cancer cell is formed means first a tumor will occur inside a body, a normal tumor. So surrounding the tumor, the cancer cell starts to grow. So this is a tumor means the cancer cell, it starts growing here. So once the cancer cell grows, it will absorb all the nutrients present inside a body. Like generally whatever food we have, the nutrients will be taken by the body for proper functioning, normal cells. But once the cancer cells are formed, the cancer cell will absorb all the nutrients, so it will not grow to the normal cells. So so this will make a person very sick. That is why the person who is having cancer, they are very sick and they are having all kinds of fever, symptoms, and everything. So this cancer cell, it is formed as a lump group. It will form as a group. So before this group spreads to other parts of the body, we have to destroy that. That's why we have treatments like chemo treatment, radiation treatment, and all those things.
So in the image we can see the primary cancer has occurred in one part of the body, and after some time as the cancer progresses, the cancer cell starts to spread across the body. That spreading is called as metastasis. So from the primary area, from the digestive system, the cells are spread to liver and lungs and everywhere. So the cancer cells, they travel via the blood and they reach the other parts of the body. This is called as metastatic tumor.
The immune system, it tries to attack the cancer cells, but the cancer cells will attack it back. The cancer cells they would have grown very powerful. So generally the body, if our immunity system is very strong, generally a healthy person will also have a damaged DNA inside his body. It is common to have a damaged DNA, but if our immune system is very strong, the body, it will normally eliminate the damaged cells, damaged DNA cells. Before they turn cancerous, it will eliminate the damaged DNA. But if we don't have a proper immune system, the body, it will not eliminate the damaged DNA, and that's why it is turning cancerous. So this process of eliminating the damaged DNA, it goes down with age. That's why the aged people, they have less immune system. So that's why they say like during the age, when the people age increases, the risk of cancer is also increasing, they say. But it all depends on the immune system. So next one is we have to see like what are the symptoms of cancer. So in order to identifying the symptoms of cancer is very essential in order to go to the doctor immediately. So we should not shy away, or we should not be ashamed to going to the doctor or speaking to someone who can help us in identifying the symptoms. We should not be inside some nutshell. We should not be ashamed, or we should not feel shy. We should always be proactive in going to the hospital and discussing our symptoms. And it is always better to take the test, biopsy test. If you have any symptoms itself, it's better to take the screening or biopsy test. So what are the symptoms? If you see, generally lumps will occur. Then itching or reddish spots will occur in some parts of the body. And some common symptoms would be, like based on my experience, I'm telling you, common symptoms would be like bowel changes, like bloating, constipation, sometimes extreme diarrhea. Then change in the stool color will be there. Sometimes back pain will happen. So all these abnormal things, then nausea and vomiting is a common symptom. So these kind of symptoms, it will happen for no reason. So when we come across such kind of symptoms, we have to be proactive and we have to reach to the hospital. And some eating problems will also happen, which I faced personally. Like I'll have the people will have heartburn or indigestion after they eat something. That is also a common problem. Lower back pain is a very common problem. So then feeling very tired and fever, often getting fever because the immune system is present in the body is getting decreased. No, so we will have fever. We have fever frequently. So all these things are the common symptoms. So when coming to the neurological problems, we have headaches, vision problem, hearing problem. These kind of things are related to our neurological problems. Then skin problems will have like some sore which is not getting healed at all. Then lump which is happening in the body, bleeding. All these things are also the common symptoms. And sometimes lumps will be present in our armpit or in the neck area, underarm or neck area, or in the groin also will have lumps. So it's always good to do self examination, and if you have any doubt, we can go to the hospital. And also one more thing is weight gain or weight loss is also will also happen for no reason. So these are all the common symptoms which are occurring. So it is always good to know what is happening inside the body. So always if you see means the body, it will send us many signals. It will try to communicate via symptoms to us. So we should understand what is happening to our body. So for that we have to be aware. We have to be aware like what are all the symptoms, and it is always good to create awareness as much as possible to the society. Hope this video has helped you in some way. If you like my video, kindly do subscribe and share. Thank you.